flying instructor at Flight Training Adelaide, and over the next few minutes I'm going to show you some of the fantastic facilities we have here at FTA. The whole course at Flight Training Adelaide starts with a fair amount of ground school. So first of all, you've got to understand the theory of subjects such as aerodynamics, so how an aircraft actually gets in the air, meteorology, so you've got to know about weather, wind, so lots of theory, and then they get into flying. We are in the Diamond Twin Star simulator that we get the students to practice and learn all their checks in before they get in a real aeroplane. A cadet would probably spend about 20 hours, about 6 hours before they get into the plane, and then after they've learned how to fly the aircraft, they come back here and learn how to fly. When they first start in the simulator, I'll sit in the front and demonstrate how to do everything. But once they've done like their third or fourth sim, I can jump in the back. This is our G1000. It's our primary flight display, engine temps and pressures, which we need to monitor throughout the flight with gear. So we have 3 wheels. Throttles, so this is our mixture lever. You can land an aircraft, then you get into visual navigation exercises. So you'll go to Kadina and little country towns around South Australia and landing at different small airports. Okay, so this is the hangar where all our aircraft come to get their maintenance done. And outside here we've got our single engine aircraft, Tobagos and DA-40s. We're going to see a DA-42. Getting airborne is really fun, and yeah, travelling with a company like Cathay Pacific where they go all around the world would be exciting. Safety conscious, very safety conscious is number one. Dedication, so you've got to put in the hard yards and yeah, want to be a pilot. And professionalism. I would say to a cadet to just definitely apply now, put your application in, and it does take a lot of hard work, but it's so worth it. I can't believe that flying is an actual job and people pay you to do it, to travel the world and fly planes.